if you want to prevent acne from coming, if you want to just hydrate and nourish your skin, you clicked on the right video. Hey neighbors, it's Lay. Welcome back to the neighborhood. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a natural DIY face serum to go ahead and prevent any acne scars, make sure your face is nourished. If you have any hyperpigmentation, using a face serum is very good for getting an even skin tone and brightening your skin in certain areas, especially if you have dark spots. This is the perfect video. And if you are not a neighbor, I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't ever miss out on any of my natural skincare videos. Okay, so let's hop right into the video, baby.
For today's DIY, I will be using my essential oil set from Art Naturals, and these oils smell so amazing. And what I love about this set is that it comes with a beginner's guide that you saw me took out, and it also has info about the oils and also a few aromatherapy and skincare DIYs. Now, it's ideal for you to use a dark glass bottle, preferably one with the dropper on the top, just so it's easier for you to apply this serum. You just usually need about 2-3 drops, and that should be good to apply to your face and keep it moisturized. Now, when it comes to the essential oils that I use, the first one that I chose was the Lavender essential oil because it's a very versatile essential oil and it has numerous benefits, including helping with acne and healing hyperpigmentation and even soothing dry skin. It's also great for sensitive skin as well. So I just added about 5 drops of lavender essential oil to the dropper bottle. And then the other essential oil that I used was frankincense. Now, this is one of my favorite oils because it helps with dark spots, and that is my personal skincare concern. I usually add this to all of my skincare products because it helps with scars and dry skin. And I also added the tea tree oil. It is one of the holy grail oils, and it's one of my favorites along with the frankincense because it is also helpful for fighting acne, and I use it in almost all of my DIYs. I always have tea tree oil on deck. Okay, so I just added in about 9 drops of that. And if you are new to using essential oil, just choose which essential oil will be more beneficial for you, and then just add 2 to 3 drops to start off so your skin doesn't have any irritations to the essential oils because they are very strong. For the carrier oils, I decided to use jojoba oil because jojoba oil is very similar to our skin's natural oil that it produces. So it's great in repairing any damaged or dry skin, and it also keeps your skin feeling very calm and moisturized all day. So I added 3 tablespoons of jojoba oil to the mix. I also get all of these ingredients from Walmart. I got the essential oil set from Publix, but the carrier oils, I just got them from Walmart, you guys. Balling on the budget. I don't know how it is. The next carrier oil that I decided to go with is the argan oil because it is great when making serums if you have dry skin, and it is also great for fighting acne because it helps to heal your acne and bring moisture back to your face. Now, you also do have 2 other options when it comes to choosing a carrier oil for serums. You have the grapeseed oil and then the hemp seed oil that is also beneficial when you want to make your own DIY serum, but I decided to just go with the jojoba and the argan oil for this, and I added only about 2 tablespoons of the argan oil to fill up the remainder of the bottle. And you would only want to fill it up until the neck of the bottle so that the dropper doesn't overflow. Now, lastly, we'll add our vitamin E capsules just to preserve the shelf life of the serum. So I took about 4 of those. If you have oily skin or just normal combination skin, you could add a splash, just a little splizzle of some witch hazel to balance the oils on your face, and preferably it should be a witch hazel that's alcohol free, you know. neighbors, don't forget to screenshot your favorite part of the video and upload it to your social stories. I will be posting a neighbor every Wednesday. And that's really it for the DIY glow serum, you guys. Now it is best to add this on your face when it's damp, so I usually go in after I put on my DIY toner, and I would go in with this serum at night. I don't use this in the day, I use it only at night. I would apply it to both sides of my cheeks there, and then I'll apply it to the middle of my forehead, and I would moisturize that on my face in a circular motion. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever tried to make your own serum, and also I want to know, what do you currently use to keep your skin moisturized, especially in the changing weather since it's winter. However, where I'm at, it's like fall, summer, and winter all together. I don't know what's up with that, but let me know what you guys use to keep your skin moisturized through the winter weather, okay? And I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video, and thank you for all of your subscriptions, your comments, and your support. I want you guys to have a beautiful, prosperous, and successful day.